I passed the civil service exam! Yay! Do you know how I passed it? Naniniwala ba kayo na kapag inuna mo si Lord, ay ibibigay niya yung dinedesire ng puso mo? Sabi niya nga sa Psalms 37:4, delight thyself also in the Lord, and He shall give thee the desire of thine heart. Nag-review ako para sa civil service exam. Yung week bago yung exam, meron kaming youth camp. Syempre, iisipin mo, bakit ba ako pupunta ng youth camp? Pwede naman akong nasa bahay lang at mag-review kasi malapit na nga yung exam ko. I still chose to lead that youth camp. Actually, I am the parang facilitator. I'm the one who made the programs and everything. So, it's kind of heavy responsibility for me. I told God, I will put you first, God, and let your will be done sa aking exam. And you know what? Yeah, I passed my civil service exam. Not by might nor by power, by the Spirit of God. We did it because He is really great, God. That's why delight yourself into the Lord. Hanapin mo yung kasiyahan sa Kanya. Hanapin mo yung pagmamahal sa Kanya. Hanapin mo yung presensya niya na dapat masabi mo talaga na, Lord, I am so in love with you, God. I want you. I am thirsty for you. And I know God will give you the desire of your heart according to His will. Sobra-sobra talaga yung mga blessings kapag inuuna mo si Lord, kapag sinisik mo si Lord. So, I'm not saying that you should not study for your exam and just go to church and do your task. I am saying that when you delight yourself unto the Lord, when you seek Him truly, faith with work, He will give you the desire of your heart. Everything that you do to God is worth it. I made a video kung paano ako nakapasa ng civil service exam. Mas detalyado sa Ate Kate TV, my YouTube channel. So if you have time, feel free to watch it. So God bless and Ate Kate out.